Hello and welcome to day one of our HTML journey. I am Emmanuel and today we are going from absolute zero to our first web page. If you've ever wondered how websites are built, you are in the right place. By the end of today's lesson, you will have created your first HTML document that you can open in any browser. Let's get started. Welcome back once again. I'll be creating two files, the first one being indexed.html, which will be our primary code editor workspace, and a plain text file. Now that we have created these two files, this text file will be used to monitor our progress for the day, and this index will serve as our main code editor workspace. I'll be pasting what we are to do for today here. Now, kicking starts. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It gives structure to the content. Every website you visit uses HTML to organize text, images, and other elements. Let me give you a quick example by visiting a popular website known by everyone, Amazon. This is Amazon, and I will be showing you their code source page. This is their code source page. You see that it's made up of the HTML head tag, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that all these are HTML. Moving on, as we've stated earlier, every HTML document starts with a special declaration called doc type, which is HTML. This tells the browser, hey, this is an HTML5 document. Moving on, we need our HTML container, which is HTML. It has an opening tag and a closing tag. In the HTML container, we have an attribute called lang, which symbolizes language. And for today's video, we'll be using EN, which means English. We have varieties of other language we can use. Common examples include ES for Spanish, FR for French, and so on. But for today's video, we'll be using EN for English. Inside our HTML, we have two main sections, the head and the body. Firstly, the head. How do you declare a head? You call it by the name head. And in the head, we have varieties of sections, but I will only mention the two major parts, the meta and the title. Now, for the meta, we have an attribute in the meta called character set. So I will just give it a title, my first web page. The head contains information about the page, not visible content. Note that. The meta character set ensures special character displays correctly. The title appears in the browser tab. Let me give you a quick view of that. This is what the title looks like on our web page. Moving on. Now, for the body, where all visible content goes, you place it right below the head tag. Call it by its name, body. And this is a perfect structure of how a code looks like. If you've understood what we've said so far to this extent, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It will really help the channel grow. Moving on to the next section, which is our H1 to H6. Now, let's add some visible content into the body using H1 to H6 tag. H1 is the most important. Just think of it like a book title. H1 with an ID. See the ID, main title. This is an attribute we can use later for styling or linking. Now let's add a subheading. For regular text, we use paragraph with the P tag. Notice class, which is information. Class let us style multiple elements the same way. Sometimes you need a line break without starting a new paragraph. Let me give you an example. Once you are done with this, save your file by clicking Ctrl S. Head back to your live server. This is our page. You can see our H1, our H2, our paragraphs, and you can see the paragraph we use break for. You see that this is the first line and this is the second line. Now you can try this with me. Create a file called portfolio.html. Once you are done, code alongside with me. Once you are done, save your file, then right click and open with your browser. Congratulations, you've just created your first web page. It's a bit ugly, right? That's very much normal. It's just like an human being with just bone and without flesh. It might not feel big now yet, but by the time we get to styling, you would understand the power possessed by plain HTML. From what we have here, what have we covered so far? You can see all that we have highlighted here earlier. We've covered each and every one of them. Today we built the foundation, but tomorrow we'll bring it to life. In our next video, we will transform this basic page into an interactive portfolio. You will learn how to create clickable navigation menu with anchor tag, add image with proper sizing and accessibility, organize content with beautiful lists, connect pages together with hyperlink. Your website will go from static text to a full navigable portfolio that you can share with anyone. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the 2. Share this with a friend who are also starting their coding journey. And if you are yet to set up your code editor, just click on the playlist showing on your screen right now to set up your computer or phone's code editor. Don't forget to register for the January roadmap. For more details, watch this video. Your homework is in the description below. I won't forget that. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.